this is our checkout process from our Chicago apartment. He's making sure everything is in order, taking pictures. Chicago has been good to us. Hi.
Hey, what's that behind you? Oh, ow!
Come out and close it. Come out. There you go.
That's not our car.
Nope.
Yes.
Our last day in Chicago.
We're going to Miami, baby!
나른하게 지내기 또 해야 되겠다.
Stranger Things behind.
Good idea. There's Starbucks. You guys want to grab some drink? But the UTC, the Stranger Things session.
There it is. Right, guys.
Thank you. Sadly, the Stranger Things exhibit was more of a store for merch and souvenirs rather than an experience with attractions from the TV show. But we still had a great time at the theme store.
Tara! Can you sing a song for us, Giga?
Harry Potter song. Guige is a very good singer. You don't do that when when we get to it, why we get
Here, I'll go stand over there. I'll throw it to you. Okay. Try throwing like this. Whoa! Close. That was close. 나치 나면 거였네. 저렇게 다 좋지 뭐. 이제.
Oh yeah, I love that. Okay, let's go together. We have a mirror over here.
All right. 하림이 가르쳐. Try it on. Hayır, sonucu yarısı. It's very spiky. On our last day, we also wanted to try out McDonald's global menu. So this is a international. Let's check it out.
Overall, Chicago was the best city that we have visited in the United States. The lovely neighborhood, clean streets, the convenience and liveliness of the city really made us consider moving here in the future. Plus, knowing that there is still so much to explore and the fact that we haven't even scratched the surface of it is a guarantee that we will be back someday. Until next time, Chicago! Our Miami journey is up next. Stay tuned and be sure to like and subscribe.
So if you have a large item with a rollerboard, go ahead and put that in the overhead bin. If you have a small item, put it in the backpack, briefcase, or purse.
I mean.
Miami.
Put that underneath the seat in front of you. That's your primary storage space. The overhead bin is shared amongst the entire aircraft and reserved for smaller or for larger items.
She got the neck down.
See an overhead bin that's closed. Please do not open it. That means it's already full.
Yeah.